Hey guys, this is 𝐓𝐚𝐧𝐤 with another tutorial whether how you can stop videos playing automatically on Facebook or when you are using your Facebook business page. Well, when you are using Facebook, videos start playing automatically without you are even trying to play them, which is annoying and awkward, especially when you are in a quiet place. Anyhow, to stop them, click on Settings and Privacy under your profile icon and then go to Settings. Or you can go to your Facebook business page and click on Settings. Both will lead to the same page. Now go to Media, and here under Autoplay Videos, it's set to default. So to turn it off, click on this drop down and select Off. Now go to Video tab, and here you can see that videos are not playing automatically anymore. And this is how you can stop videos playing automatically on Facebook or when you are using your Facebook business page. And I hope this will be helpful for someone out there. And thanks for watching.